The Samsung Galaxy M31 sports a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Infinity U display. The display has Gorilla Glass 3 protection and a peak brightness of 420 nits. The display houses the front camera in a little U on the top. It also houses 4 cameras at the back. It has a 64-megapixel primary camera with an f1.8 aperture. The second is an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera for capturing wide-angle shots. The third is a 5-megapixel depth sensing camera, and finally we have a 5-megapixel macro camera. The rear camera can shoot videos in 4K. For your selfie needs, the smartphone has a 32-megapixel camera with the ability to shoot videos in 4K. It can also shoot slow-motion videos. For security, it has a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor and also supports face unlock using the front-facing camera. The Samsung Galaxy M31 runs on Android with Samsung's One UI overlaying it. For performance, it relies on the Exynos 9611 processor. The smartphone is available in two variants, 6GB RAM with 64GB storage and 6GB RAM with 128GB storage. It is available in two color options, Ocean Blue and Space Black. The Samsung Galaxy M30 is a dual nano SIM phone with both SIM slots supporting 4G. It also has a dedicated microSD slot for storage expansion. The 6000 mAh lithium polymer battery comes with 15-watt fast charging. The box includes the handset, power adapter, USB Type-C cable, quick starter guide, and a SIM tray ejector. The Samsung Galaxy M31 comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail EMI and exchange options. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking, or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment, and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.
Presenting the Kodak LED Smart TV that is available in 32-inch HD-ready resolution and 40-inch Full HD resolution. The HD-ready resolution provides a balance of color, contrast and clarity for improved picture quality. The A+ grade IPS panel delivers accurate colors so you can experience cinematic visuals with crisp and detailed images. It also comes with enriched screen brightness that delivers a bright picture quality with proper contrast for an enhanced viewing experience. It comes with a maximum operating distance of 9 feet. This Kodak Smart TV comes with built-in Wi-Fi that lets you watch content directly and immediately from the internet. It also lets you enjoy a variety of applications like YouTube, Netflix, and Hotstar to browse through and explore different genres of content. Screen Mirrorcast allows you to cast your smartphone on your TV and use it as a remote and keyboard. The Android OS provides access to unlimited entertainment on a bigger and smarter canvas. The TV runs on quad-core processor with 1GB plus 8GB internal storage that brings a seamless experience because of its quick response time. It also comes with a computer interface that lets you operate your television like a PC. The TV has 3 HDMI ports and 2 USB ports, allowing you to connect multiple devices to your smart TV. The built-in 20 watts box speakers gives you high-quality sound experience. This TV comes with tabletop stand, wall mount brackets, user manual, warranty card, remote control, power cable, and 2 AAA batteries. The TV comes with standard 1-year brand warranty. It comes with free installation and demo. You can avail EMI and exchange options. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking, or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options, and other offers, visit the product detail page.
The Oppo A5 2020 has a 6.5-inch HD Plus Nano water drop notch display. It has a quad camera set up at the back. It has a 12-megapixel primary camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide secondary camera with 119 degrees field of view, and two 2-megapixel cameras. It has a night mode called Ultra Night Mode 2.0 for low-light photography. For your selfie needs, the smartphone has an 8-megapixel selfie camera with features like AI beautification. For security, it has a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor and also supports face unlock from the front-facing camera. It also has 2 speakers and supports Dolby Atmos audio. The Oppo A5 2020 runs on Color OS based on Android. For performance, it relies on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 processor. The smartphone has 3GB and 4GB RAM options with 32GB built-in storage. It is available in mirror black and dazzling white color options. It also sports a game mode called Game Boost 2.0 to give mobile gamers an immersive experience. The A5 2020 is a dual nano SIM phone with both SIM slots supporting 4G. It also has a dedicated microSD card slot for storage expansion. The smartphone is powered by a 5000 mAh lithium polymer battery. The smartphone can also reverse charge another device, enabling you to use the smartphone as a power bank. The box includes the handset, power adapter, Type-C cable, quick starter guide, case, SIM tray ejector, and a pre-applied screen protector. The Oppo A5 2020 comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail EMI and exchange options. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking, or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.
Xiaomi presents Redmi Note 9 Pro comes with 48 megapixel quad camera array and 16 megapixel AI selfie camera. You have 3 color options to choose from: Interstellar Black, Aurora Blue and Glacier White color variants. You can also choose from 2 memory variants as 4GB RAM with 64GB internal memory and 6GB RAM with 128GB internal memory. The internal memory is expandable up to 512GB. Both the SIM slots support 4G on dual standby. The 6.67-inch Full HD Plus display for the tiniest of detail. It comes with 3D Corning Gorilla Glass 5 front and back. It also comes with splash-proof technology. It has side-mounted fingerprint sensor and AI face unlock. The 48 megapixel AI quad camera array to capture the tiniest of detail. It also has a 16 megapixel selfie camera at the front. Redmi Note 9 Pro runs on Android version 10 operating system with 2.3 GHz Qualcomm Snapdragon octa-core processor, which creates smooth multitasking experience. The 5020 mAh battery provides you with longer talk time. It also comes with 18-watt flash charger that helps you charge faster. The Redmi Note 9 Pro comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail EMI options and pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.